Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about another institute which provides IAS coaching, and the institute we will be talking about is the Plutus IAS coaching. So, the Plutus Academy has its branches spread over in many states of India like Delhi, Jaipur, and Bangalore. So, if you wish to contact the Plutus IAS Academy, you can do it on this number 0844 844 0231. And if you wish to visit their website, it is plutusacademy.com. Now, let us talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Plutus Academy. Let us begin by talking the advantages of this institute. In this institute, well-structured notes are imparted to all the aspirants in the form of soft copies, hard copies, and also in the form of online study materials. Moreover, interviews as well as essay writing tricks and methods are provided to all the candidates here. Another advantage of joining Plutus Institute is that guest online sessions, educational sessions, and seminars are provided to all the candidates in order to improve their practical knowledge about the civil services. Further, the flexibility of speciality are provided to all the aspirants so that they could choose the timings as per their needs and requirements. Next in the line of advantages of this institute is that the candidates are imparted with all the relevant free study notes and modules. Also, periodical tests of all the candidates are done by the mentors in a very amazing way. Further, every regular assessment of the aspirant is done via mock tests, test series, and an online or offline quiz to evaluate the aspirant's level of understanding so that they would know where they actually stand, and thus providing a scope of improvement for the aspirants. So, the Plutus IAS coaching in Delhi is one of the most ambitious IAS coaching institute here. It has well-equipped building with all the latest method of advanced techniques enabled for the aspirants by the management of the institute. Amenities like live interactive video lectures, smart classes, air conditioners, etc. are provided to all the aspirants here. So, it has also started the online classes due to the COVID pandemic. The last advantage of Plutus Academy we'll be discussing in this video is that the most important thing in the time of COVID-19 is having the facility to prepare for IAS exam by being at home itself. And this is what Plutus IAS Academy is offering with all its benefits I have mentioned before. Now, let us talk about the disadvantages of joining the Plutus IAS Academy. So, the very first disadvantage is that the infrastructure is not good. However, I have told this point in the advantages section that the buildings are well equipped, but many students have given their review that infrastructure according to them is not that up to the mark. So, I have added this point in disadvantages as well, that infrastructure is not too good. But because of the COVID situation, everything is online, and Plutus Academy is providing very good online coaching as well. The next disadvantage of this academy students have complained is regarding the fees. According to many students, the fees of this academy is relatively higher. So, these were the advantages, that are modern teaching methods, batch size is good, and the Plutus Academy provides easy tricks and techniques. Whereas it also has some flaws like the infrastructure, fees, and updates in the academic area. So, I hope that by now you are clear about this academy and will choose a good institute for your IAS training as per your needs and requirements. Thank you so much for watching this video.